this is for my father's birthday. I buy it with YouTube money, and my mother helped me a lot. My mother helped me to get new subscribers, taking me to places, helping me upload videos. Thank you, Mommy.
Welcome, my darling.
So now let's get to unboxing. So first we have the front, the 3 camera, the new version, iPhone 13, iPhone, sides, Apple, behind. Now I'm going to read it. iPhone 13 Pro not included headphones or it has a USB cable but not the connector. So we have the connector right here. See, we've had to buy it. It came with the new iPhone 13 Pro. It was now released. Now let's open this first. So you pull it with this and this should open. Up and now let me get this thing out. Okay. Now got it out. We have instructions, always good. And from here in the down you can pull this up and you have it. We are not doing about this, so let me just keep it down. So now let's go down to unboxing. See these 2 things you pull. Nice and satisfying. Now we gotta open the box. That was satisfying. Look at this brand new baby. It's like a nice golden blue. It's like a blue, and in the side it's silver. Nice. This shine, and this is the new color. Now let's open this up. Satisfying. Now inside, let me just keep the phone here. Inside we have the USB cable. The screen is very good. Now there's lots of fingerprints because we touched it, of course. Show me the back and the camera. You can see the dot and one small camera right here. Then let me spin this around so you guys get a nice look in there. Apple logo, the color is very good. So we have the on and off button here, and it's very cool because it's like it's like a mirror. You can see yourself. We show you the sound. This is cancel sound, sound on, sound down, then pin. Okay, now let's on it. You have to hold it for a long time until it ons. Now you can see the Apple. This is very cool. Still loading. I'm just going to hold it like this. Okay, so now we have this. I should choose a language, English. Now we have to select the country. Now we are going to start up the manual. Now this is all is good for us, so we are going to continue. Now we are going to put our network. So we are not going to be showing you this part, or somebody could hack our internet. So we'll the internet password. So we are going to put next, and now we wait. So if you need Face ID, put this, or if you do not want Face ID, set up later. Now we want set up later. So now we are going to create the passcode. So if you want to transfer from your other device, do like PC, Mac, or from your other old iPhones, click one of these. So now we don't have my father's phone now, so we are going to put don't transfer. After you put your Apple ID, you will come here, but for your old phone there will be a message. So now we go. Now we press continue. Now you have to put your location. New. Okay, now. Hi Siri. Hey Siri, play some music. Continue. Continue. Okay, now share audio recording. No, not now. Okay. Sharing with light. So continue. Zoom. We open the iPhone. It only has 2 pages. Okay, so I'm going to take a selfie now for camera. Now we are going to take a selfie. Now see. What a good quality. You must buy the iPhone 13 Pro. It's very good. Have a nice day. Bye. And hit that subscribe button and make it gray and bell notifications and hit the thumbs up. Bye.